India mi ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
Ka Maukhar Christian High Secondary School Kalaraki ya kajingdap shipos nem kajangka hadian bakladap kintiu kedan ya ka naka secondary shaka high secondary bat Kalaraki buram ya kajingdap shi spotlight voice nem ban aijing shakri shaki Khynnah pule jong kani ke school. Hak ni kesngi lawan don lang uba Prestone Tynsong ubde usimbut menteri rangba jong kejela bat hak juk kapor udai ru Khynnah pule berim jong kani ke school nang tau ba Adelbert nongrum ubde u MLA jong ke North Shillong constituency kong Emlingwa ke bede ke District School Education Officer ba TG Nong Neng Secretary jong ke PWD ki pastor jong ke KGP Synod ki Managing Committee bat ki Iakiwei ki blasha khot ngobha. Hak ni kesngi la penher ia kalama jong ke school balayok ban pindon buram hak SSLC bat HSSLC bat shekinong hikai ki blashakri arpusan snam ia kani ke school. Haba ajing ekren hak ni kesngi nau kaliang uba Prestone Tynsong ulaya thu khana bhakipor budang long kum Khynnah school bakumno kalong kajingkmen bak school kawan bet hagi kerdan basakmat hak kajing pule bat haki kampertu ia ki kam bakrau jong kinong hikai bat ubla aimen simru ia kinong hikai bikidei banwan rak biang ia kanam ke buram jong ke school kumbalong minchwa shu nakaliang usembut menteri rangba ulaong ba unsa IT kumba shipau lak tingka syakane ke school shwa ubnai naiwing ban piniar batchna yaki kamra ki bethamai hakane ke school.
Proudly I should tell you, Maukhar Christian has produced such a tallest people throughout the state, be it in politics, be it in social life, be it in the offices, be it in the religious life. Let me just tell you, things happen because of Maukhar Christian. So I would request the members, the president of the governing body, let us try to bring back the name, the fame, in the name of Maukhar Christian Higher Secondary School. Let us go back to the history and let us try to bring it up again, the history of Maukhar Christian High School. We should know, all of us. I say this with record. I don't say without record. 1972, please go and check the records. 1972, our literacy rate is not even 25%. 1972, literacy rate is not even 25%. When we celebrate our statehood 50th year, we are approaching to 80%. Please check your Googles. We are approaching 80%. So I am trying to say that the 50th year is nothing happened. Number two, the budget of the state government that time for education sector was only 300 crores. And the current budget financial year that we passed, the budget for education alone, more than 4,500 crores. So what is the difference? What's the difference? But of course, I can't say that we have done this so much. We have to or beat the physics. You know, in Polo ground, I remember when we participated in this school football tournament, when we were defeated, the moment we come out from the ground, we will beat up somebody because we lost. That was the time of Maukhar Christian High School. That was the time. Please, as I said, bring back the name and the fame of this institution. You are in the heart of the city. I think it is you to show the way. It is you to take initiative. Then people of Meghalaya will say, this institution has something special in it. And that specialty is what? One is educational, and number two is spiritual. If these two be combined, Meghalaya is going